Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to reset transient states. Unplug both modem and router for 30 seconds, then plug the modem first, wait until sync, then the router. While waiting, open your device Wi-Fi settings, toggle off then on, and forget the SSID to clear cached credentials. Once done, log into the router admin with your password, and note the firmware version. This matters because outdated firmware often causes recurring connection bugs and will determine the next steps. You now update and harden the router. Check firmware and apply the latest stable build, then reboot. Firmware fixes protocol-level bugs. Next, change wireless settings. Pick channel 1, 6, or 11 for 2. 4 GHz to reduce interference, and set 5 GHz to a clear channel or auto. Make sure Legacy B/G modes are disabled and require WPA2 or WPA3 for security. This eliminates negotiation failures. After applying changes, reboot a final time and confirm. You finish by reconnecting devices one at a time, testing stability and speed to isolate problems. If a device still fails, update its Wi-Fi drivers or OS, many bugs live on the client side. If multiple clients remain unstable, perform a factory reset on the router and reapply only essential settings. This clears bad configs. If problems continue after reset and firmware updates, replace the router. Hardware faults are common. Remember, when stuck, update drivers first, then reset the router as the decisive move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.